Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Checking whether a file or path exists is a common operation in Python, and it can be done using the os module. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to check if a file or path exists in Python with code examples. The os module in Python provides a way to interact with the operating system, including checking file and path existence. To check if a specific file exists, you can use the os.path.exists function. Replace path/to/your/file.txt with the actual path and file name you want to check. To check if a directory, folder, exists, you can use the os.path.isdir function. Replace path/to/your/directory with the actual path of the directory you want to check. You can combine both checks to determine if a path, file or directory, exists using the os.path.exists function. Replace path/to/your/file_or_directory with the actual path you want to check. Starting from Python 3.4, you can also use the pathlib module, which provides an object-oriented interface for file system paths. This is an alternative approach using the pathlib module. Now you have a comprehensive tutorial on how to check if a file or path exists in Python with both the os module and the pathlib module. Feel free to use the approach that fits your coding style or the requirements of your project. ChatGPT